this is Juan Armando. So we're here in Casa Fiesta, here in Station 1, Boracay Island. Let's take a room tour. Our room is room 301. Okay, so our room is on 3rd floor. By the way, Casa Fiesta has only 3 floors. Okay, so here's our room. There's the bed, and the room comes with a TV with cable channels, and it also comes with a mini refrigerator. Okay, then the room of course is also air conditioned. Okay, so the room is actually a bit spacious for 2 persons. Then we have here a cabinet with hangers for clothes. Okay. So I'm sorry, we have some stuffs in here. Okay, so surprisingly, the toilet and bath is a bit spacious. It's very clean, and it also comes with hot and cold shower. So there you go. So what I like the most about this room, or Casa Fiesta in general, it offers the cheapest room rates here in Boracay Island. So another thing I like about Casa Fiesta, since this is a beachfront resort, of course, is the view you get from this room. So there's the view from our window. So it's really nice that you get to have this view at an affordable price. So let's go outside. Okay, so we're now here in our room's balcony, so you get to see this view. I'm sorry, we have some clothes in there. By the way, so going back to the balcony, so that's what I was saying, you get to have this view from this room. Okay, by the way, if you are a smoker, they allow smoking in your room's balcony here in Casa Fiesta. Okay, and Casa Fiesta is just few meters away from the mall. It's very near to various restaurants and bars here in Station 1, Boracay. Okay, so that's the view you get from this room. Okay, so it's nice to do people watching here. Okay, so there you go. So let's go back inside. Okay, as what I was saying, this is the cheapest beachfront resort here in Boracay Station 1. So I'm giving a huge discount on your Casa Fiesta room if you book on my link in the description box below. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.